Evening. Buggered if I can find a YouTube clip to answer this one, and it's a fairly common question at the moment, so decided to DIY it. Sorry for the shaky video, no tripod. When you install the Nebula Smart Kit on an SC and you've been using a slicer fairly successfully, this is just Creality 6 that I've currently got here, you've got to change the setup in your printer profile to be able to accommodate the fact that you're going from a Marlin based E3 V3 SE to then putting its Smart Kit on it, which is running on a version of Clipper. What you need to do is, in my case here, I've got to select the right printer. I've already got a Clipper version set up here that I've currently done, but this is 6. So off here in the corner, you can sort of, I'll just zoom in a bit. Up here, this is your printer. So you select your SE, but then you go to edit the preset. So you click on that and it brings you up a dialog box that looks a little bit like this. So what you've got to do, just in the basic information here, so just where it says basic information, you don't need to change any of this stuff. You just got to scroll down here to see where it says Clipper or G-code flavor. So instead of reading as Marlin or Marlin 2, I forget what my machine actually was, you just got to change it to Clipper. So once it's on to Clipper, you then press save. It might want to say you're making a change to the default. I changed mine to be a user preset that said Creality 3 E3 V3 SE 0.4 nozzle, but then I added the name Clipper at the end. So I've still got my system preset here, which is the standard one, which you sort of see it's gone to Marlin 2 on the standard, but I saved it as Clipper because it's a variant of Clipper. Once you've done that, just press save, and that should solve some of the issues that people have been having with regarding things aren't working right, or it's not looking like X, Y, and Z. When you put that Smart Kit on, you've effectively put a new brain on it. And what you've got to do is you've got to be able to get this slicer to basically talk the same language. And if you don't do that, you can't expect to get the significant improvements as promised. Have a good evening. Chat soon. All the best.